Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today, we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-up planner for the week of May 5th through the 11th. My catch-up planner is a classic size happy planner called Sketchy Florals. It is a vertical layout, and today we are creating a spread for the second week of May. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And thanks for being here as always. So I'm going to be using the Spring Lux sticker book from Live Love Posh. It is such a great book. If you don't have it, it has so many versatile florals that you can use for spring, but also other, like basically any time of the year, because florals are florals. So I found these really deep, dark pink fuchsia flowers. And yes, I know they're more summer than spring. I understand, but I cannot help myself. So we're going to create a spread with this. Look how stunning it is. So I'm going to start with my sidebar and I'm going to cover it up completely. There's once in a while I use it. A lot of times I don't. So if I don't use it, it's also not a huge deal. Not worry too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and add florals all around to kind of frame it, except the top. I think I'm gonna leave the top empty. So because these florals are quite large, I'm gonna start with blocking out the actual bottom lines. And let's see how that goes. If I need more, I'll do more, but I think that'll be enough because those lines kind of divide the flowers and make it a little bit less coherent for me. Or not coherent. I don't even know what I'm calling that. Okay, anyway. So let's go ahead and add boxes. And I don't know, how about we do those like dark pink that are in here, which I don't have very many of right now. But also maybe yellow because the center of the flower is yellow. So we can pull in these colors. And yes, I know they're more of a summer color than spring, but they're very, very happy colors. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. So look at this. Look how stunning this palette of florals is. I don't even know what type of flowers these are. I'm assuming they're peonies, but who knows, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and frame everything like I said, and then we'll get into the actual functional part of the planning. So if you guys have been watching me for a while, you probably already know that my spreads need to be extremely functional for me to actually use my planner. So I do both. I do a pretty extreme decoration, which is a lot of stickers on a page, but at the same time, there's a room everywhere to write. There's checklists, there's boxes, there's all sorts of stuff, and it is very structured. So if you're looking for something like that, you can always just follow this guideline kind of and then go from there. And again, if you like videos like this and you're not subscribed to my channel, I would really, really appreciate if you would do so. I love having you guys here and spending time with you and creating spreads together. So yeah, we're about done framing it. I need like two more little things on the edge, and then we can get into the actual fun of doing the rest. So here we go. The flower is done. Look how stunning this is. You could actually just leave this be and call it a day and write in the boxes and it would be stunning. But I do want quite a bit more. If you guys know me, you probably already know that I like a fuller spread with lots of things going on, and lots of things in my spread itself. So we're going to be adding quite a few elements because why not? And I don't know if it's going to match or not, but it is what it is. So yes, I'm just punching in the floral stickers through. So I'll be able to put this back in the planner, but that's about it. And then let me do this side, and then we'll start the process of the actual functional stuff and decorative, because there's going to be a lot more, like I said. This is not how I roll, even though this is stunning, right? And I could leave it be. Okay, let's keep going. So how about we add boxes first or checklists? Maybe checklists first? I can't decide. Don't have that many pink boxes, so that's a problem. But I do have yellow boxes, and let's see how that's going to sit within this spread. And I think that's good. I think it's pulling up the yellow from the flowers a lot more. So let's take a look. You guys, and sometimes my spreads don't make any sense. And sometimes they do. So, and if they don't make sense, but they're still pretty, I will take them any day because that is so fun to have like a spread that is just pretty and you're so eager to write in it. So that's kind of where I want all of my spreads to be landing in, is the prettiness of the spread itself and like the function for the rest. But we do have quite a few things going on this week. I know like outside of Toa's appointments, I have quite a few things going on in here. So I have a doctor's appointment, we have a birthday party, we have like a religious thing that we're going to, and then it's Mother's Day. So lots of stuff going on. So let's see what we can make of this. I think I'm gonna use a lot more yellow boxes than pink ones for obvious reasons because I don't have pink ones. I would have to make them like by cutting them in certain ways. I do have this one pink one that's going to be kind of the focal point on this other stuff, on this other side, I should say. But then I'm gonna add like the yellow boxes throughout, and my work boxes, those tiny skinny ones that I use, are going to be pink to kind of balance everything out. So I think that is such a fun sticker combo of pink and yellow. I can't just help myself. So let me know what you guys think because I know, like I said, I know this can be a lot and it's different. So bear with me as I do this. I'm just pulling all of them and then I'm gonna pull yellow boxes and then we'll go from there. Thankfully, I have like unlimited supply of um Mojo Jojo Plan boxes because when she was coming out with stickers, I was buying every single one of them. So I think I have three huge organizational one of those like boxes full of her stickers. So I will never run out of boxes, you guys. It's kind of the fun part about collecting, right? Because I'm a collector. I'm not a hoarder. I hope. I don't know. I probably am. I'm just calling this to make myself better. But that's where I am. So we're going to go ahead and do all of this. And then so I have this sticker from the Staircase. It's a ZABC book. They're gorgeous. They're called, I don't know what they're called. I think they're called like elegant stickers or something like that. And they come in different colors. They're really, really fun. So I'm pulling stickers out of there. I'm gonna pull stickers. Let's put one more box because I have more stuff going on that day. Um, but yeah, let's go ahead and add like pink elements from here because I think it'll be fun. I also want to add, oh, look at that pink Eiffel Tower. That's stunning. Not for today, but stunning. I'm thinking about the stuff that I want to add actually. So let's add this umbrella. Like for no rhyme or reason. Doesn't fit the spread, doesn't fit the colors. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm obsessed with it. I need it in here. So that's what's happening. Look at that. There's a pink and purple one that I could have used. Oh well. Um, yeah, that's how my brain works, and that's what it is. So I'm gonna go back. I think there was a butterfly in the same colors as the umbrella. I'm gonna put it on the other side to bring some of those colors in there because I think it's going to look crazy otherwise. I mean, chances are it's gonna look crazy either way, but the less crazy it looks, the better I feel. So let's see. Okay, almost there. Okay, so let's add the suitcase with the hat right there to kind of lean on the boxes. Um, that's super cute. I don't know why I'm doing this, but sure, let's do it. Um, like I said, sometimes my spreads don't have rhyme or reason, but they are kind of fun. I think this is going to be one of them where it's going to be just fun without much of an explanation. Let's add the camera next to the girl because why not? She is a full-blown Insta model. Look at this butterfly. Do you see that? The colors are exactly the same. Let's pull that guy. Let's put it like on Wednesday. How about here? Oh my gosh, you butterfly. Okay, there we go. So that works. And that brings that color over. I don't know if it's too much or not, but it's okay. It's just okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, today I am struggling with spreads. This is usually not my forte. I usually can sit and whip a spread pretty fast. So this is a new thing for me. Like, I don't know what is going on in my brain, but obviously something. So this quote says, travel broadens the mind and enriches the soul, which I couldn't agree more. Whenever I travel, I come, um, my mind comes rested and my heart comes full, which is exactly what basically I think this means. So I was thinking of using the backpack, but I don't think that's a good idea. And even though the cover of this book is like pink, there's less pink elements that I expected. Like the purple book out of this series is basically all purple. There's like a little bit of blue in the back, but most of it is purple. So I also have these little books. One is like all about the travel like this or Rome or something. And the other one is called Manor Tour and it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna see which one I want to use. I don't know if I want to use this one or this one. This one is all clear, you guys. Oh, let's use this one. Hopefully this time it sticks because when I was creating the currently pages and I used the blue book out of the series, like the sticker was the actual like stickiness was staying on the page. So I'm gonna remove those two to-do lists. Oh well. Goodbye. We'll fit you in somewhere else, you guys. So yeah, let's put this in. Yeah, I think that looks good. So I'm gonna play with that book and kind of stick with the colors and the theme. So we're gonna do all pink everywhere. Yes. Okay. So a couple more things, not too many. Like I need something for Tuesday, and then I need something to fill in that Sunday. So not too much more to go, I believe. Let's see. I do like this hanging basket. Yeah, I don't know where I want to put it because I'm losing my mind. Oh, Mother's Day might be good. What do you guys think? Mother's Day might be so good for stuff like that. So let me pull this camera off. Let's put it next to the travel thing. And then let's hang a basket right there for Mother's Day. What about that? I think that looks good. Oh my gosh, next week is going to be so busy for us. I don't think we have a single day next week that we don't have something going on. Oh my gosh. Okay, one more girl. How about this one? Let's put her on Tuesday. How does that look? Like trying to do stuff. I don't know. Okay. I think I'm gonna call it a day before it gets any more crazy. Um, I was thinking of adding more, but I think this should be it. Let me know what you guys think. I know this is a little bit crazy, like I said, it's all over the place, but I'm really enjoying it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun to write in. It's been a little minute. It's been a minute since I've done a very bright spread. So, yeah, let's go from there. I did just rip a page, so I'm gonna do sticker surgery by gluing it down by stickers. So, yeah, and then there we go. You guys are awesome for staying all the way till the end, and I'll see you soon. Bye.